Hello! Hi! That's it, Bobo. That's a good angle. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary and this is Bo. Bo is my travel buddy today. So we're heading to the north to see the Glencar Waterfalls, which is located to County Leitrim. So might as well I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my days off for a couple of days to see some beautiful. Actually beautiful. They have a picnic area there. They had benches, they had cafes and playground for the kids. And it has a free parking as well. So going in here, it's free. And you are surrounded those beautiful mountains around and the lake. It's just there. Beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. The poor Bobo. He's not allowed to go in the waterfalls area. Sorry, Bo. You comfy there, yeah? We need to go home. So thank you guys for watching our video. Bo, are you okay? Are you heartbroken, baby, that you're not able to go inside the waterfalls? It's okay. We can see more beautiful places here in Ireland, yeah? Good boy. So thank you guys for watching my videos and I hope to see you soon as well. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to introduce yourself. Leave it to the comment below so I could check you out. I would be very much happy to see more travel vlogs. And if you had any other suggestions as well that you wanted me to film, is thing did not be able to go inside the waterfalls. It's okay, baby. Yeah. We can still see a lot of beautiful places here in Ireland with Mama. Wincha. Yeah? The poor thing.